Hi, wanted to show you around the new AutoDevGroup app. So after you download and install the app, you'll get prompted with this screen here, and you can look through the app. The only thing that you will not be able to do until you log in or sign up is create service requests, and you'll see the little login now button there. So the first thing that we're going to do is sign up or log in. And if you have a login credentials to the website, you also have login credentials to the app. So we'll go ahead and sign up and create an account. All right, we got it all filled out. We'll click submit. And there we go. Great. You're now registered to create service requests and purchase items on our store. To get started, click the back button up top. So we got the little black back button up top. And we'll go ahead and click this blue button where it says sign up and log in. So we'll use those same credentials that we just created to log in now. All right. And we'll click submit. And see down on the bottom it says logging you in. And there we go. All right, now that we're logged in, let's take a look at the functionality of the new app. Let's take a look at the service requests first. So the first thing, you'll get prompted with the current monthly special, whatever we have going on for the month. Followed by if your service request is in an emergency and you need to talk to somebody now about it, we have the little 911. Just click that, and you have a phone number to call. And based on the information that you registered on our website, it's going to pre-populate everything here for you. And really, you just want to double check everything to make sure everything's current and select the type of service you're in need of here. So we're going to say on-site repair service. Our nearest location is in Tampa. And if I had some photos or videos, I'd be able to click this and attach the photos. Or if I wanted to take a video of the equipment, I could just take a picture right here on my device or upload it online. And just add some additional information. My lift is down. And we're going to click submit. And it's going to think for a second there, and it's going to shoot that off to AutoDevGroup. And you can be on the lookout for a confirmation email that will get sent to you from AutoDevGroup. Just wanting to let you know that your service request is en route to the service team. Give you a phone number who you can call if you need some immediate answers, along with some of the details of it. And while that is sent to you, AutoDevGroup is sent a similar message that will also attach any images, pictures, videos that you may have attached to it. And then we have on the home screen locations. All the locations with physical addresses are going to be here. We'll just take a look at Tampa's to get an idea of what it looks like. The phone number is a click to call. You'll see that it pops up when you click it. If you have a 911 service request, you just click that. You get a number and some great reviews down there on the bottom. And now we have shop. This is the e-store. We have a few items on here available for purchase. Some of the sanitizers, the electric paint gun that you would use to apply it with. And it's pretty neat. You just go through, add your quantity, how many you wanted to add it to cart. You get a message telling you that it's been added to cart there. We just go up top to the top right here, and we just click that little cart. And we would just go through the motions of checking out. And you got the checkout here, and we would pay with PayPal. So we're not going to check out right now, though. We want to keep looking around. So that's the shop. But then we do have some services that we've listed out, like the on-site repair. You're familiar with that? Installation, design and planning, products and equipment, along with the 911 service request. You get that little prompt to call. Blogs. These are the blogs that are on the website that you can find here on the app as well. You know, it's pretty good reads. Some great pictures of some work that's been done. Some of the projects. About Automotive Development Group here. And if you want to contact us, we got a form here available, and it is going to pre-populate. And then you have the YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and privacy policy pages. And then we do have the core values, the Fast 50. This is your abbreviated account page. Any orders that you've made would be listed there. A little bit of account information here that you're able to edit. For the most part, you would have to manage your account details online, although you can change your addresses and stuff here. About us, I think we've covered that one. And we have the careers page. We're going to have all the job opportunities listed here. See one we like. There's a few options to be able to share it up here with your favorite people through text message, Facebook, Twitter. If you decide you want the job, let's go ahead and apply for it here with the employment application. And we do list several of the employee benefits. And I think that's it for the new app. Well, we're excited for it.